Hello. This is teacher Jonna. What's your name? Leah. For the speaking test, I will ask you 5 questions, okay? First, how do you spell your name? Spell it. How do you spell your name? Letter? Letter, name, your name. It's L, yes. Letter L? Yes. And letter? Letter? Letter L, letter I, and letter A. Okay. Letter L, I, and A. Now, Leah, can you tell me about your home? Your house? Tell me about your home. My house is, or our home is, English. My home is in. Okay. And is it big or small? Is it big or small? Big or small? It's small. How many rooms are there? How many rooms are there? Bedroom, living room, kitchen. There are 5 rooms. Okay. Now tell me about your family. 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 Okay. There are, how many people are there in your family? There are, okay, grandma. Grandma, sister, brother, mom, husband, and Pia. Yes. Okay. Now, have you got any pet? Pet? Have you got any pet? Is it no? Like cat or dog? No, no pet. Now tell me about your best friend. Okay, who is she? My best friend is? She is? She's what? She's tall. She has got long hair. And she's got brown hair. No. Long hair. Okay. That's it for our speaking test. Thank you. Goodbye.